Hello everyone, my name is Rob Puma with Carestream Health. I'm here today with Bill Algie from Columbus Regional Health in Columbus, Indiana, and current AHRA president right here. How you doing, Bill?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Great to see you.
Great to see you.
Today, Bill's in our booth to talk about filling the gaps of your digital conversion. So basically, some areas where you are digital and some areas where you're not quite digital, and how you do it in a cost-effective manner. This here is the DRX transportable light that they have used in their department. And Bill, tell me about this system. What was the thought process behind the transportable versus a regular DR plate? Why did you like this system?
We like the flexibility. The ability to take that plate and use it in multiple systems, not have it tethered to one room, really gave us a lot more flexibility. So we have 2 fluoroscopy rooms that we share this plate with between the 2 spaces, which has given us, like I said, a tremendous amount of flexibility. We also actually use this in a DR room by a different manufacturer that we don't have a removable plate.
Right.
So if we have a patient that we have to do in that room, for example, a cart chest, AP chest, then we will use this plate in that room.
Oh, great.
So it's really expanded into 3 rooms.
Right.
So where we would have had to buy 3 plates, 3 systems, we've bought 1 system, 1 plate, and have gained a ton of flexibility.
So basically having this tough book transportable that you see here is kind of replaced, instead of buying 3 full systems, you've kind of satisfied those needs because you're using it across different rooms with 1 system.
Correct, yeah.
That's great.
And it is very durable.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I don't believe we've had any issues, drops, so to speak. Not so with the plate sometimes, but yeah, it is very durable. Battery life has been great. The staff love it. They have raved about it repeatedly. And it just really, like I said, has given them a lot of flexibility. And you know, in a role where you're trying to do so many things in a very limited time and space, that means a lot.
Sure.
And limited staffing, they don't have to wait around. They can move on with their day, and that makes a huge amount of difference.
And the user interface on it is the exact same.
Exact same.
And that, from a learning perspective.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Really,
it was the learning perspective was minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really,
Here we're going to use this
little
instead
to
of
no
that.
training.
Yeah. It was. Yeah.
Plug and play.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. What would you say to someone who was considering a purchase of this transportable light, and what would you say to them in terms of and considering it, where it would make sense for them?
Well, I think you have to look at what, I would list the things. What are you trying to accomplish? Is it you're just trying to move from CR to DR? Are you trying to get another room? What are you really trying to accomplish? Because I think that was where we kind of that's how we got to where we are. We thought we needed to buy 2 or 3 different plates, and then really kind of, as we spoke, we talked a little bit about what are you really looking for, where, and where can we get some efficiencies, and then as we all get faced with today, it's budget, right?
Sure.
You only have X dollars,
right?
So how can we get the most bang for our buck, and flexibility? And it was slam dunk, easy decision once we got to those, getting that down, knowing exactly what we wanted. And then going back and saying, financially, this is a much better solution for us than the other options.
Like killing 2 birds, or actually in this case, 3 birds.
In
one stone.
Exactly.
In one stone.
Exactly.
Great. Well, thanks for your time.
Sure,
Appreciate
absolutely.
you being here. And this is the DRX transportable light. It really helps fill the gaps in your digital department seamlessly in a cost-effective manner.